Hi guys, this is Shazad Ahmed. Today I will tell you about PPC campaigns, some important terminologies used in these campaigns. So these terminologies are very important to understand for understanding the PPC campaigns. So first of all, why we use PPC campaigns? When you launch your product on Amazon, you have no reviews, nothing at all. So for ranking purposes, for generating sales, you use PPC campaigns. These are paid ads you run on Amazon. So this is a skill that you need to learn for ranking your products on the first page of Amazon. So important terminologies we discussed today. First of all, we will discuss PPC campaign. What is it? I explained it: impressions, clicks, click through rate. These terms we will discuss in our video today. So, what is PPC campaigns? I explained it to you already. So, impressions. When a buyer searches a keyword, the word that customers write on the search box. So, and roll over the cursor on your listing pointer, when it moves the pointer of the mouse on your listing, it counts as one impression. It doesn't click, it just scroll the mouse pointer on your listing, on your ad. It will count as one impression. Click, when the customer actually clicks your ad or your listing, it will count as a click. The number of times shopper clicked on your product ad to view the complete product detail page. So it mainly depends on front image and price. Next terminology is CTR. CTR means click through rate. So click through rate is the ratio of impressions versus clicks. It means how much impressions you got versus clicks you got. If you get one click on your ad per 100 impressions, you will have 1% CTR. So how to calculate it? CTR formula is clicks divided by impressions multiply 100. You will get CTR percentage. So the average CTR is 0.41%. Being right at or above that is usually a good target. So average Amazon CTR is 0.41%. So 0.41% is good, but below 0.3 is very bad. A well-targeted campaigns can achieve 2 to 3% CTR or above. So low CTR causes the ad position and irrelevant ads. There are causes for low CTR, and there are ways to improve your CTR. So you have to improve your quality of listing, your main image, improve your main image, improve your title. So make your ad relevant so your CTR will improve, and it must be above 0.41%. Next is CPC, cost per click. This is the actual cost that Amazon charges you for a click, for per click on your ad. So CPC measures overall cost of your PPC ads. For example, if you paid $100 for PPC ad and it receives 100 clicks, you are spending $1 per ad click. So it depends on number of factors, including keywords and category that you are targeting. Additionally, the competition for keyword also determines the cost per click that you have to pay for a particular advertisement. So competition, if more competition for any keyword, the cost per click will be higher. So it is important, your whole success depends on CPC. If it is lower, you will be in profit side, you will get profit, you will save money. But if it is higher, you didn't save much of your money. So average bid against series of competitors over a period of time, your cost will your cost per click will always be less than or equal to your maximum bid. So this is cost per click that Amazon charges money for from you for your uh, click. When customer clicks on your ad, Amazon charges you the money. This is CPC, cost per click. Hope you understand it. Next is ACOS. ACOS stands simply advertising cost of sales. Formula is written here, you see it. ACOS is the ratio between spend over sales. How much you spend on ads divided by the number of sales you generated. Multiply 100 if you convert it in percentage. This is actually the percentage. So this is commonly discussed topic, and most of the times there are two factors which impact the ACOS, or cost per acquisition, cost per click and conversion. So this is the ACOS. ACOS shows how much you spend on Amazon advertising in order to generate $1 in revenue from that spend. For example, if you spend $30 and you generated $90 sales, you will get $0.33 spent for $1 revenue. Break-even ACOS formula is 1 minus landing cost plus FBA fees divided by retail price. If your ACOS is less than profit margin, then you are making money. Otherwise, you are losing money. Your ACOS must be less than your profit margin. Next is CR. It stands for conversion rate. The number of people who visited your listing versus the number of people who purchased your products. Conversion rate is actually the purchases that customers made on your products. So its formula is orders, how much orders you received for your product divided by number of clicks that customers made during the search of your product. Multiply 100, you will get conversion rate percentage. So it measures how many people bought your product after landing to your listing. So it describes business stability. It tells that business is going to lose or profit. So thank you and Allah Hafiz. These were the important terms. And there is one more term that you must understand these days, ROS, ROS, ROS. So this is the acronym used for return on ad spend. This is actually the opposite of ACOS. ACOS is the spend over sales. This is the sales over spend. How much sales are generated divided by how much you spend on the ads. So it is important metric to determine the performance of campaigns and keywords. And this is an important variable. You must understand it. This is its formula. How to calculate it? For example, you will understand through this example, equals to the total attributed sales divided by total spent. For example, if a business spends $1,000 on a campaign and earns $5,000 in sales from the ad, the calculated ROAS would be 5. How it is 5? You will 5,000 divided by 1,000. You will get 5. This 5 means the interpretation of this 5 is that if a campaign has ROAS 5, that means for every $1 spent on the ad, the campaign made $5 or a ROAS of 5. The more profit the campaign makes overall, the higher the ROAS value will be. So these were the important terminologies that are used in PPC. So before starting your PPC campaigns, you must understand these variables, these terminologies, so that you can run your campaigns effectively and you don't have to waste money on unplanned PPC campaigns. I hope you understand this topic. I am Shahzad Ahmed. Stay with me for more information relating to Amazon. Thank you very much.